Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to download offline maps on Google Maps. Now for us to get started, let's just go ahead and click this one right here and we're going to look for offline maps. Now once we are here, we're going to go ahead and click select your own map, and then this is where I am living, but I'm not gonna download that in order to prevent you guys from thinking that this is staged. Now I'm going to download this one right here from another island. I'm going to tap this one and we're just going to wait for this one to be done. All right, so we have already downloaded this one. Now we're going to go ahead and close this, and we are at this particular island right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi. The same thing for my data, make sure it's off, and I'm going to demonstrate you how this works. So we're going to go ahead and go to, say for example, this location right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the directions, and then we're going to go ahead and click this one right here, choose on map. And let's say, for example, we're going to go there, and let's say we are from somewhere right here. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, we are able to see a direction in here. And that, everybody, is the easiest way on how to download offline maps on your Google Maps.